Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge latest version on Windows 10 PC. Microsoft Edge is a cross-platform web browser developed by Microsoft. You get it all with the new Microsoft Edge, world-class performance, compatibility and speed to make browsing the web even more effortless. The new Microsoft Edge has built-in features designed to give you more control over your data and to protect your privacy online. Microsoft Edge is available on all supported versions of Windows, macOS, iOS and Android. To make sure you are protected by the latest security updates, Microsoft Edge can automatically update when a new version of the browser is available on your device. So watch the video and subscribe channel. Okay, let's start. Follow these steps. You can download and install Microsoft Edge latest version. First of all, open your Internet Explorer. Here at the top right corner, click on this three-dot menu option. Then click on What's New and Tips. Okay, then you will see this new page, Microsoft Edge download option. Download for Windows 10. Here little bit scroll down, then you can see here the new Microsoft Edge is available on all supported versions of Windows, macOS, iOS device and Android device. If you are on another operating system, go to download for Windows 10, then click on this drop menu option. Now you can choose one option depending on your operating system and then click on download. Then you will see this kind of window. Download the new Microsoft Edge, then choose language and then click on accept and download. Then you will see your download will be shortly. Okay, then click on save. You will get the save option. Click on save and then click on run. Now you can see the download process. Once download complete, Microsoft Edge automatically start the installation process. Once install complete, Microsoft Edge will automatically start up. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, you can see now you are done. Your Microsoft Edge web browser is ready for you, ready to use. You are done. Follow these steps for updates. Get a Microsoft Edge update when available. Here at the top right corner, click on this three-dot menu option. Go to help and feedback section. Then choose about Microsoft Edge. Then you will see this Microsoft Edge automatically checking for updates. Here you will get Microsoft Edge update when available. Okay, you are done. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Thanks for watching. If you have any issues, comments below. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure hit like and share. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next video. Bye. Take care.